Friends, welcome to my blog. It's Nixon with you, and today we're gonna start a new series of videos. It's going to be about graphics designing. The first thing we need to know about graphics designing is what is design. Design is a plan which we build to make something beautiful. Just think of a cup or a t-shirt. You will see they are all designed to make it attractive, more attractive to the viewer's eye. So before designing, we have to make a plan what we are going to design, and the main thing we need to keep in mind, so design is for that we will make it look more attractive, more beautiful to the viewer's eye. So from now on, before designing, before doing something, just make a plan and you are ready to go. Whatever comes on your mind, just design it. Design is everywhere. Just look around you and you will see design. Just look through a designer's eye and you will see design is all over us. We are surrounded with design. So I hope guys now you know what is design is, and I know you will be a good designer one day, and hope that you will do your best in your life. And please subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with new videos like this and we can